Hi, I'm Karthikeya. Now let us look at the editorial of the fourth question of ConvexHull 2.4. So the question is, you are given two integers a and b and you are asked to find the number of pairs x, y such that x and y are coprimes, that is GCD of x, y is 1, where x can lie in range 1 to a and y can lie in range 1 to b. Both are closed intervals. So as you know, the theme of this contest was dynamic programming. This problem also can be solved using DP. So first, the state of the DP is defined as number of pairs x, y such that GCD of x and y is I, and x lies in range 1 to a and y lies in range 1 to b. So this is the state of our DP. Now let us look at the transition of our DP. So first let us calculate the number of pairs x, y such that both have a common divisor I. So in range 1 to a, we'll have floor of a by I multiples of I. Similarly, in range 1 to b, we can we'll have a floor of b by I number of multiples of I. In this way, we can calculate the total number of pairs which have a common divisor I as product of these two values. Now, we define the state of our DP as DP of I is number of pairs such that GCD of x, y should be I. So the greatest common divisor of x and y should be I. But here we found all the pairs which have a common divisor I. So as you can see, we'll have to subtract all the pairs such that GCD of x, y is a multiple of I rather than just I. So we'll have to subtract all the pairs which have their GCD as 2i, 3i, so on. So now let us look at how we do that. We just subtract the number of pairs which have the multiples of I as GCD, which we already calculate in our DP. So first we'll initialize DP of I as the product of floor of a by I and b by I. Now DP of I, from DP of I, we subtract all the pairs x, y such that their GCD is multiple of I rather than I, that is 2i, 3i and so on. So k goes from 2 to floor of b by I. We just subtract all the values of DP. So DP of I minus DP of 2i minus DP of 3i, so on till the range b. So at the end, our answer is DP of 1 because this DP of 1 denotes the number of pairs x, y such that x lies in range 1 to a, y lies in range 1 to b, and GCD of x and y is 1. Now let us look at the code of this question. So first, as there are t number of test cases, we just run a loop, and for each test case we take input a comma b. Then if a is greater than b, we just swap a and b. Now we initialize our DP with zeros. So DP is an array of size b with 0, b plus 1 with zeros, all zeros. So for I, we'll go in reverse. We'll start with b and we'll go till 1. So first, DP of I is given by just floor of a by I and into floor of b by I. First we'll find all the pairs which have I as a common divisor. So now starting from 2i, we'll subtract all the values, all the pairs which have GCD as multiples of I. So from DP of I, we are running a loop. So current is 2i here, and we'll run a loop until current is less than or equal to b, and we just subtract the value of DP of current from DP of I. So we are just removing DP of 2i, DP of 3i and so on from DP of I, such that GCD of x, y is I, and we are just incrementing I here, current here. At the end we'll just print DP of 1. So that's the editorial for this question.